Hi, good evening, good afternoon. Today, me and Darshini will bring you to the oldest campus of the University of Pavia, which is a university in Italy. I hope you will enjoy it and stay tuned for more updates. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, गुड इवनिंग। आज हम सेंटर की तरफ जा रहे हैं शाम के टाइम और हमारे दोस्त आज एक साथ है, तो बस कुछ नहीं करेंगे, घूमेंगे फिरेंगे, मौज करेंगे और वापस आ जाएंगे। So here you can see the shadow of my friend. अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हम आज यहाँ सेंटर की तरफ जा रहे हैं और ये एक टिपिकल इवनिंग है संडे की। और यहाँ पे यही रिवाज है कि लोग बाहर आते हैं और कोई अपने पार्टनर्स के साथ, अपने बच्चों के साथ, अपने पेट्स के साथ कॉफ़ी पीते हैं, अपर्टिवो के लिए बैठ जाते हैं, खाना खाते हैं। और जो वॉकिंग स्ट्रीट्स हैं वहाँ पे ये ईंटें ऐसी सी होती हैं कि वॉक करने के लिए कुछ गाड़ियाँ भी यहाँ से जा सकती हैं, लेकिन इट शोज़ कि ये वॉकिंग स्ट्रीट है। और यस
Sunday, no cars are allowed in this road.
जी, हमारी दोस्त भी हैं साथ, तो वो बता रही हैं कि संडे को यहाँ पे कोई भी कार अलाउ नहीं होती, तो आपने सिर्फ वॉक ही करना होता है। तो मेरी अपने हमवतनों से भी गुजारिश है कि वो भी वॉक किया करें, कभी गाड़ियों से उतरा करें। और ज़िंदगी खूबसूरत है और वॉक करते हुए भी अच्छी लगेगी। मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ कि किसी का फेस बीच में ना आए और ताकि हम किसी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट में ना पड़े और आप जो है वो देख लें। हाँ जी दर्शनी, आप क्या कहना चाहती हैं? कुछ कहेंगे? आवाज़ नहीं आई। यू कैन टेल एनीथिंग व्हाट यू वांट। ओके ओके। तो यहाँ पे अगर साइड पे हम देखें तो कुछ ना कुछ दुकानें भी हैं जो कि 8 बजे तक तकरीबन बंद हो जाएंगी। और कुछ लोग फूल भी बेच रहे हैं, उन्होंने शायद एक दूसरे को दिया है। तो इटली की खूबसूरती यही है कि इसकी बिल्डिंग्स जो हैं वो पुरानी है और यहाँ पे वॉक करके मज़ा आता है, आप इंजॉय करते हैं। और इस तरफ ये कीको हमें बहुत ही पसंद है मेकअप के लिए और कभी कभी हम यहाँ से बाय भी करते हैं। और इसके साथ ही सत्रियोली है, यहाँ से गोल्ड की जैसे कि 12 कैरेट, 14 कैरेट इस तरह की अच्छी ज्वेलरी मिल जाएगी कम पैसों में। एक तहकीक के मुताबिक इटली में पेट्स जो हैं वो इंसानों से ज़्यादा हैं अब। और यहाँ पे जैसे हमारी तरफ यूथ है हमारा मेजर परसेंटेज, तो इनकी तरफ इनके जो बूढ़े हैं वो ज़्यादा हैं। और
We are now in the center of Pavia.
yes, we are arriving in the center of the Pavia and we will take just one shot and later on we will
See the crowd.
it's a crowd, it's full of crowd, it's hell of crowd. You can see families, kids, friends on this side, huh? And also this side is very, very, very beautiful. You can come on a cycle, or you can do whatever you want, you can enjoy, you can dance, you can sing. It's full of life. Oh. This is what is it? It's Domo.
Duomo.
It is Domo. Okay.
It's falling.
या सो यहाँ पे जो यूनिवर्सिटी है उसका नाम है यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ पाविया और ये पाविया में इसके मल्टीपल कैंपस हैं। अभी हम सेंटर में हैं, तो सेंटर में भी इसका एक कैंपस है, इसी तरह इसके आउटस्कर्ट्स पे भी इसके डिफरेंट कैंपस हैं।
It has economic department,
हाँ।
arts and science, architecture, and you know the culture studies of Italian.
हाँ।
And our university was founded at 1823.
Oh, it's one of the oldest.
Yes,
So
and it's been now 1,200 years
Okay.
old.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so it has a good long history.
Yes.
So Darshi knows it. I didn't know it because I am a student in engineering department. But anyway, दर्शनी को शौक भी है हिस्ट्री का और उनको शौक है कि वो
So
चीज़ों को
you can
करीब
tell
से देखते हैं.
about the museum over here.
Yes, she can tell you about.
Okay. If you want, we can go inside as well. Come on.
Yeah. So this is one of the campus of the University of Pavia और इसकी यहाँ पे बहुत सारे जो हैं वो टर्किश कबाब भी होते हैं जैसे कि ये इस वन ऑफ इट और बहुत अच्छा यहाँ पे हमें पिज़्ज़ा शॉप मिल जाती है या is by Salman. We just wanted to see the interior. Come and yeah, and the interior of the By Salman is very beautiful. It's not the at this hour there are not many people, but later on maybe. And so this is one of the Turkish kebab. Hi, good evening. How are you? Darshan. Nice to meet you. Enjoy yourself. Ciao. So you just saw the bus passing by. So we are just going towards the university. हाँ जी दर्शनी. You can tell whatever you want.
Okay. So.
It's okay. Just.
So now we are heading inside our university main campus. So this is the student information room where you will be asking the doubts regarding the admission.
So the University of Pavia is one of the oldest in Europe, and with the roots tracing to the school, which is established in 825, and it was officially founded as a Stadium Generale in 1361 by Charles Ford, and it is renowned for law and medicine. It became a major academic center under the Visconti family and Australian rule in the 18th century. Currently, this university has 18 departments and 9 faculties. It does not have a main campus. Its buildings and facilities are scattered around the city, which is in turn called a city campus. So here is okay. There are few statues, and we can try to read it out.
Yes.
What it is?
So
Yeah. So Italy is has one of the oldest culture, let's say.
so he is
Huh?
Luci Porta Pavese.
Hmm.
So he is the professor and the lecturer in clinical medicine. Okay. So he is the first.
Hello, sir. He is the second one. Yes. He's
Antonio Bardoni. So he is the master of mathematics.
okay. Ciao, sir. So
So he is Bartolomeo Paniza. He is did his in discipline the administration.
okay.
Yeah.
One of the oldest as well. Hello.
Okay. Here comes our hero.
Here come our hero.
Yes.
Okay.
He is Camillo Golgi.
Huh?
So he is basically, master in science and pathology and
Yeah.
everything, biology. He is the one.
He is one of the forefathers.
Yes.
Yes.
So in his name we have one of the campus.
Golgi.
Golgi. So
yeah.
where you will be seeing all the departments of biology, medicine,
Okay.
and everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's how the nations they pay tribute to their teachers. So it's good. We must be learning from them as well. I know that we respect for our teacher a lot, but somehow we do not recognize them like they recognize. And on this side also there is some festival going on, it seems, and they put different portraits. This is another person. If you see the corridors, these are the same as in 1823. I mean, maybe a little bit renovation is there, and yeah, it shows that some of the exhibition or something is going on, and yeah. So I will just show you the whole square, how it looks. Yeah, It is wonderful. It is.
Show our university logo there
Yeah.
on the top.
Yeah. So that is the logo of the University of Pavia. So this is actually one of the oldest campus here. I mean, it has.
The first campus.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is the first campus. So there are multiple campuses here around the Pavia. So yeah, I am watching the logo first time as well. Thank you, Darshini. And yes, it's beautiful. See at the top, these all are the classrooms and the professor's room, and they are the same. So students are studying in 1823. It's one of the oldest light here, and so they are having it. I am unable to show you the actual shape. Actually, it's not coming in the font, and yeah. So there is one room dedicated to Alessandro Volta, and we also have the Collegio with his name. He is one of the forefathers of physics and the electrical engineering. So yeah. So this is the statue of Alessandro Volta, who is considered as the forefather of physics as well as the forefather of electrical engineering. And you can see how the nations, they feel proud on their teachers, the one who are the forefathers of the different subjects. Okay. So that's pretty the culture in the Italy, that they put everything in the statue.
So if you go over there on the straight, that is the archaeological museum.
Okay.
So this actually now our university is like kind of a museum open to all.
Okay.
But still the classes are having here.
Okay.
So if you on the first when we saw there was an information center, so you can ask them, they will allow you to look around the museum means our university, oldest university, which is now turned as the museum.
Okay. Maybe we can come someday, because since I'm here I didn't come to the museum, I mean in this campus at least. And yeah. See, here is a teacher and the students. Darshini, it is. This photo is from 1495. Huh? Yes, 1495, and you can see.
He is Orbit.
No.
He is Anno 1495, and he. I don't know what is the
die. So it's he's a teacher, it seems, and these are the students. And this is written in one of the oldest script, I think. It's not Italian. It's not in Italian anyway.
No, it is the oldest one.
Yeah. One day maybe I need to come to take the photos of everyone. I don't know. They are too much. So this is in the archaeology department. Is okay. So it is Christopher, and also it seems he's a teacher, and these are the students, and yeah. Okay. Oldest bathtub, and you can see here, maybe, yeah. But they are preserving the history in a very good way. Yeah.
And that's it, Rashi. You can't go this more than this.
Okay. We can sit. This is one of the mysterious statue. I will look into it. He is looking upward, and Darshini will tell me in a while what he is looking. Actually, he is holding up एक कोई चीज़ उन्होंने पकड़ी हुई है.
It's a sword.
हाँ, एक तलवार पकड़ी हुई है और ऊपर ही देख रहे हैं. I don't know.
You see. So.
हाँ.
So this is the train which takes you to around the whole Pavia. It's like a tourist train. It's mainly for the kids, but you can also travel in that to see it.
Yeah, very good, very good. Thank you, Dashni. The university offers more than 80 undergraduate programs, over 40 master programs, and roughly 20 doctoral programs, including 8 in English. About 1,500 students who enter the university every year are international students. So we both are one of them. The university operates multiple cultural and scientific museums, including the University History Museum that we will be going through, a botanical garden, research centers, university libraries, and university press. The university is also affiliated with Policlinico San Matteo, at which hundreds of the medical students from the university perform the clinical rotations during their clinical years. The University of Pavia is a member of Coimbra Group and European University Association. It also participates in the exchange program, which allows student exchange between the University of Pavia and the various universities in the Europe and across the world. An edict issued by the Frankish king of Italy, Lothar I, it mentions the existence of a higher education institution at Pavia as early as 8025 AD. This institution, mainly devoted to the civil law as well as to the divinity studies, was then selected as the prime educational center of the northern Italy. In 1361, the institution was officially established as a Stadium Generale by the Holy Roman Emperor Charles IV, who granted the same teaching privileges enjoyed by the University of Paris and Bologna, allowing the institution to teach canon and civil law, philosophy, medicine, and liberal arts. It was then expanded and renovated by the Duke of Milan. Thank you very much for your time, and you can keep following us for the more videos like this.